for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for grape. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nectarine. O for orangutan. P for pear. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for uakari. V for vulture. W for watermelon. X for Simonia. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.